How to duplicate 3D shapes in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift plus space. Search for Shape 3D, Merge 3D, Renderer 3D, and add them. Connect them to each other into Media Out. Select Renderer 3D and enable lighting and shadows. Select Shape 3D and choose a shape you want. Here I choose a cube and adjust its size. Select Merge 3D, press Shift plus space, search for Ambient Light, and add it. Go to Effects panel, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Drag one of these shaders you like into Composition and connect it to Shape 3D node. Select Ambient Light and increase intensity. Now we have this Shape 3D. To duplicate it, select Merge 3D node. Press Shift plus space, search for Duplicate 3D, and add it. Select the Duplicate 3D node and set number of copies. Use X, Y, and Z translation to move the copies around. Select the Merge 3D node, search for Spotlight, and add it. In the Transform tab, increase translation Z value and decrease intensity if you like. To animate these shapes, you can select Shape 3D node. Then in the Transform tab, right-click on the X and Y properties and choose Modify with Anim Curves.